Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Social Studies online session part 2, lesson number 14, Agriculture and Industries. So children, today we are going to continue with the lesson. So before moving ahead, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. In the previous class, we have learned agriculture is the main occupation of the people of our country. Nearly 2/3 of the working population is directly engaged in agriculture and they earn their livelihood from agriculture. That is why it is important for us. Our country produces different varieties of agricultural products. Rice is the most important food crop of India. Okay. Our next topic is wheat. So children, do you eat chapati? Yes, chapati is made out of wheat, isn't it? Okay, wheat is the staple food of the people of northern India. Wheat is the staple food of the people of northern India. Why? Because the soil, temperature and rain in North Indian plains are more favorable to the growth of wheat. They grew wheat as a major part and ended up having it as part of their staple diet. Okay, it is mainly grown in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Is it clear, children? Next is millets. So children, what is a millet? Yes, millet is a grain. Like corn, wheat and other grains, millet has seeds that can be eaten. Okay, millets include jowar, bajra and ragi. They are grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka. Is it clear? Other crops. Pulses. Children, what are pulses? Yes, they are edible seeds of plants. Edible means which can be eaten. They are edible seeds of plants. Pulses include moong, masoor, urad, etc. All dals are pulses. Okay, chana dal, tuvar dal, all these are pulses. Okay. Oil seeds. So children, we all use oil for cooking, isn't it? From where do we get oil? Yes, we get oil from oil seeds. Oil seeds include mustard, groundnut and linseed, and they are grown in large quantities in several states of India. Is it clear, children? Sugar. So children, you all like to eat sugar, right? When you drink milk, you add sugar, isn't it? Now tell me, from where do we get sugar? Yes, we get sugar from sugar cane. And what is the climate required for growing sugar? Sugarcane requires strong sunlight, fertile soil and lots of water. Okay. And children, do you know India is one of the largest producers of sugarcane in the world. Okay. It is mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Is that clear? Cotton. What is the use of cotton? Yes, cotton is used to make cloth. And children, you all wear dresses and shirts made of cotton, isn't it? So now we'll see where it is grown. Cotton is mainly grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana and Telangana. Okay. Jute. What is jute used for? Jute is used to make bags and carpets. Not only bags and carpets, different things are made out of jute. Okay. And jute requires abundant rainfall. Okay. It is grown in West Bengal and Assam. Is that clear, children? Tea. Children, do you know India is the second largest producer of tea in the world. India is the second largest producer of tea in the world. And where it is grown? Tea grows best in hilly areas and it requires abundant rainfall. Okay, it requires abundant rainfall. It grows best in hilly areas and it requires abundant rainfall. Where it is grown? It is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal and the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Coffee. Where is coffee grown? Coffee is mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Is that clear? Spices. Children, we add spices to our food, isn't it? So spices enhances the flavor and color of food. Okay. Spices include cloves, cardamom, pepper, chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric and ginger. And these spices are mainly grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Okay. So children, with this I'll stop. The remaining part of this lesson will continue in the next class. Children, now let's take a small recap of what we have learned today. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food of the people of northern India. Millets. Millets include jowar, bajra and ragi. Other crops. Pulses. Pulses are edible seeds of plants. They include moong, masoor, urad dal, etc. Oil seeds. We get oil from oil seeds. Oil seeds include mustard, groundnut and linseed. Sugar. We get sugar from sugar cane. Cotton. Cotton is used to make cloth. Jute. Jute is used for making bags and carpets. Tea. India is the second largest producer of tea in the world. Coffee. Coffee is mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Spices. Spices enhances the flavor of the dish. Okay. Spices include cloves, cinnamon, pepper, chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric and ginger. And they are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. So children, the remaining part of this lesson will continue in the next class. Until then, goodbye.